let me show you the condition of the car first of all. As you can see, it's very dirty and very nice amount of dirt on offer. तो आपको पूरा अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा that how can you wash it perfectly. You can see the roof as well. So great amount of dirtiness, and I will also tell you that which is the best microfiber cloth for your car. So let's start the video. So guys, as I was telling you that what mistakes we do during washing the car. So sometimes we take normal clothes, so that is not the best thing. You should take the best microfiber cloth, which is from Soft Spun. So these are the 5 clothes that I have got from Soft Spun, and they work brilliantly well. I'll just test them in today's video, so make sure to watch it till the end. And I am telling you that these are the best microfiber clothes on the internet. If you want to purchase them, I'll give you the link in the description. You can see the pic over here as well, that what are the prices and all those things. So now I'll tell you that what you have to do next. So first of all, you have to take these microfiber clothes. Other than that, for best washing of your car, you need Easy, and that will be the best thing. So see these Easy, you need a bucket, and here you can see the pressure washing system as well. You need a pipe, tap for sure, from where the water will come, and this is a gun. If you want to buy this, you can go to Amazon and type pressure washing gun. You will get that as well. So now we'll start. You can see the dirtiness of the car. So now we'll start washing. So guys, first of all, what you have to do, just pour some water on your car. You can see I have this spray gun, and it works brilliantly well.
Honey, we could put the past in the backseat. You don't have to say you're sorry. You don't have to say you're sorry. No, no. Go on and tell me all the things you really want to. Tell me what you're holding on to. Honey, I'm just gonna hold you closer. We don't have to wait for our love to begin when we're already standing out on the runway. Open up your heart and let it catch the wind. Just reach out and take my hand. Nothing in our way. They keep saying time flies, but baby, we're the pilots. We'll be flying wherever.
Now you have to, guys, now you have to fill some water in the bucket. So what we will do, we'll just fill some water, and after that we'll pour Easy in it, so that we can do some washing sort of thing. So let's do the same. So guys, you can see Easy over here. So we'll just pour some Easy in this water, and here you can see. So a lot of Easy on offer. It is just a pack of 10 rupees. You can go to any general store and buy it, because if you do not want to buy a car shampoo, so this is the best product to get, because लोग जो है अपने खुद के कपड़े धुलने से भी डरते हैं इससे, because it is very expensive sort of product. So you just have to pour the Easy over here, and after that you have to mix it like this, and you can see decent amount of foam. And yeah, now I'll pour some water once again. You can see there is a lot of foam, and now what we will do, we will just put a microfiber. So guys, now we will test this microfiber cloth properly. So what we will do, we will fold it like this. You also have to do the same, and after that take this bucket, and you have to pour this. You have to put this cloth is the amount of foam, and now I will just show you that how you have to do. So first of all, you have to put all these things in the upper side of the vehicle, and after that ऊपर से नीचे आपको wash करना है. So that will be the process, and here you can see the cloth is performing very nicely. Guys, you can see Easy से बहुत अच्छे foam बनते हैं, and that is the reason कि इतना अच्छा foam वगैरह बन रहा है, and you can buy it, और इसी वजह से these are expensive.
We want tonight, baby, we're the pilots. We're the pilots. They keep saying time is flies, but baby, we're the pilots. We're arriving.
So as I was saying to you guys that apply the foam upside down. तो उससे क्या होता है कि ऊपर से फोम नीचे आता है, एंड जो भी डर्ट पार्टिकल्स वगैरह होते हैं उसे वो नीचे ही ले जाता है. So that is the benefit of applying the foam upside down. And now I'll meet you when I will complete the whole vehicle.
Whenever we walk tonight, we are the pilots.
So guys, as you can see now, I have applied the foam on the car. So now I'll just adjust the pressure for spraying everything, and now you can see I have to wash the car from upside down, as I told you. ऊपर से जितना भी घास वगैरह होगा वो नीचे को आ जाएगा. So that will be the thing. So first we will clear the roof.
Baby, we are the pilots.
And that is the ideal thing. So guys, now you can see everything is done in terms of washing. So now what we will do, we will park the car in a good place because वहाँ पे नाली वाली है. So we will park it in a good place, and after that we will use the microfiber cloth once again क्योंकि 5 है हमारे पास. So what you have to do next, I will tell you that. So let's go.
Don't need a ticket to come home when you want to. Cause even when I'm not with you, I'm with you. Sun up, sun down. We don't have to wait for our life to be.
So guys, to dry the car, we will use once again this soft spun microfiber cloth because यार इसी से सबसे अच्छा काम होता है. So we'll unpack one more. There we go. Okay. So guys, now you can see that I have unpacked one more microfiber cloth. So let's see that what I have to do with that.
Cause we're already standing out on the runway.
So guys, now you can see this is the microfiber cloth. So on the wet surface you just have to take it like this and just wipe it straightly. आपको तुरंत तो नहीं दिखेगा that the water is going, but it will dry itself after some time, and that will be the best thing. So let's do the same.
Open up your heart and let it catch the wind. Just reach out and take my hand. Nothing in our way. They keep saying time flies, but baby we're the pilots, and we'll be flying wherever we want tonight. Baby we're the.
So guys, you can see the car is washed properly now, and I have cleaned it with the microfiber cloth as well. Let me show you the cloth, but before that, see the 360-degree view of the car, and I will show you the before and after as well. You can see that in the thumbnail, and it is coming through a picture as well. So now you can see the car is looking very nice. For sure you can see after wash it looks very nice यार. Trust me or not, जब गंदी होती है तो उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती, but after wash it looks very nice. So now you can see everything. थोड़ा पास से भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ so that आपको समझ में आ जाए, because दूर से every car looks shiny only. So it is giving very nice shine. You can see me because last time जब मैंने धुला सा, so I polished as well. Here is a dent. इन्होंने मारा था वो but we'll fix it. So you can see now the overall look is very nice. Everything is fine. I have washed the car properly. So now I will give my review for this microfiber cloth, soft spun. So let's go. So I have used a lot of clothes, a lot of microfiber clothes of other brands as well.
नाम लेने कोई मतलब नहीं.
But this is the best I've used till now, and I'm not kidding, because it cleans very nicely. जो भी चीजें गीली होती हैं that are wiped very nicely, and you can see the shine as well which has came after washing and cleaning with the cloth. And I want to tell you one thing कि जब भी आप अपनी कार में final wash दो, जैसे after foam when you pour water on it, so make sure to clean so make sure to dry the car with a microfiber cloth, क्योंकि if you will not do that, so the water will dry out in the car only, and then उसमें धब्बे वगैरह पड़ेंगे. So that is the thing. And if you want to buy this soft spun microfiber cloth, I will give you the link in description. You can see everything over here, because यार बहुत ultimate चीज़ है. This is very nice. I kid you not, this is very nice for sure. And guys, that was my video of washing the car. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.